Hey guys, Benison here.
Stephanie here.
Today we're going to unbox a Tokyo treat box. Steph, what's in this bad boy?
So apparently there's treats from all over Tokyo shipped in, like little snacks, candies, things we've never seen here in the States. So we're gonna open it and try it on camera.
Let's check it out.
Ooh.
Whoa, there's a lot in here.
Okay.
Dude, let's start.
So apparently there's these cute little booklets that tell you about every single snack that it comes with. Because most of the stuff is in Japanese and I can't read Japanese. I don't think you can. So this book is like a godsend. Let's start. This is the bourbon strawberry chocolate chip. It's a sweet and savory bourbon strawberry chocolate chip. Let's just try it.
Okay. I like the sound. You like sounds, right? Like this is my favorite sound.
Oh. Oh.
Oh my god. Do you smell that? What's that smell?
Strawberry chocolate.
All right, you ready? That's so good.
It's really good. It's very dessert-like.
Dude,
Let's try something else. Oh, let's make this. I don't know what it is. It looks like you make gummies.
There's a dude catching fish. What does that mean?
It's exciting fish DIY kit. Create your own candy fish and reel them in for a fun treat. That's so fun.
Whoa.
Let's try it.
We're about to create fish.
Take your string and lay it across the fish molds in the plastic tray. Lay the string over all of the fish. And then take your spoon and pour powder into the larger side. This is the powder.
Into this. Guys, teamwork makes the dream work.
Whoa.
That came out fast. This is how tiny kitchen must feel.
Now,
Boom.
next step, let's grab our water.
Oh, they're pink. They turn pink. That's cool. They're pink.
Okay, wait 5 minutes for the candy. Once it hardens, pull them up with the strings, and then you fish.
Amazing.
We'll come back to this after eating more snacks.
Amazing. Let's bring this box back, baby.
Yeah.
There's so much stuff. I kind of want to spill all of it out.
Okay. Woo!
There's so much stuff.
Oh, I want to try this. Tomato and cherry.
Dude,
Ooh, look, I read
she
about
looks at
it.
tomato and cherry
No,
and
I
like,
just read about
I
it.
want it.
It's called the tomato and cherry gummies.
These are very literal titles.
The health-oriented snack contains a blend of natural collagen. Collagen is really good for you, your skin, your hair, most of your skin.
Okay, let's try
Let's
this.
do it.
I can smell it already. Oh, that smells kind of crazy.
It smells like
smells
tomatoes
sweet.
and cherries, yeah.
Oh, there's like powder.
Oh, it's so soft.
Ooh, I like the clearness.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
I'm gonna throw mine in. Oh.
Oh! I had it.
Oh, okay, wait, my turn.
That's really good. Ready? Oh! You too can throw tomato cherries into the air.
If you get the Tokyo treat box for December,
Get it.
shop.tastemade.com. That was really good.
That was really good.
Okay, this is called the burnt caramel takoyaki. I'm not sure if I like that sound. Burnt caramel.
It's very fish oriented. We made our own fish. We're about to eat a burnt fish.
It smells good.
It does smell good. Do you want to catch it?
Yeah, okay. Go into your mouth.
Oh, my mouth? I thought it was going in your mouth. No, try. Whoa! Eat that. Eat that.
Mmm.
Yo, it's like wafer and chocolate.
Favorite one so far.
Supposedly every box has a drink. This is a Fanta. I love Fanta.
That was a big gulp.
Yo, there's stuff in here.
What is it?
Delicious. Go for it. You gotta like not cover it so much because like things are actually coming out of there. Isn't that crazy? Wow.
It's got crushed jelly in it, but
Yeah.
it's not. It's like the softest jelly ever. Like it just like dissolves. I don't know what it is,
That's
but
delicious.
I like it. It was surprising and I almost choked. It
Yo.
was delicious.
We need this in the US.
I would love to drink this.
I have
I don't
to
even
bring
like
this.
soda.
Nice.
Let's
And
do
then
this one.
that one looks
It's got a
crazy.
little monster on it who is like fizzy and like wants to explode. I think it's gonna be fizzy. Oh, cola bubble candy.
Oh, bring it.
Who loves cola?
I love cola. Let's go
Let's
for
try.
this.
Mmm.
That tastes exactly like Coca-Cola.
It's really good. And it's not too fizzy where it like hurts your mouth. Why did you bite it?
Yo, you bite it, it gets fizzy, dude. It gets fizzy, right?
Oh god.
Isn't that crazy? I think we should check on our fishies. So we completely missed this fish. But I think we can get that
I
one.
think we caught 2 of the 4 fish.
This one for sure. Yeah! Yes!
We
We
caught
caught
a
one. Dude,
fish!
this fish is actually really cute. We caught the cutest one.
Put it in your mouth.
I was gonna put it in yours.
Okay.
It's candy. It's gotta be good. What are you doing? Go for it.
Stop.
Okay.
Dude,
Okay, no, I swear. Oh, it's hard?
Mm,
I expected it to be...
gummy. Tastes like bubblegum.
That's really good. I like this one the best. Which one's your favorite, Shim?
My favorite is... I
Oh,
think
yeah,
I like
those were
vegetables.
There you have it. Thanks for joining us for an unboxing of our December Tokyo Treat Box.
Don't forget to get it at the Tastemade store.
Do it.